National Assembly cannot be efficient and effective without a staff of the Assembly that is motivated, that is trained and retrained to provide the services that are necessary for the National Assembly members to perform their duties. So it is in the interest of us, members of the National Assembly, and indeed the country, that the National Assembly Service Commission functions well, that it provides the services that are required of it for the benefit of all in the National Assembly ecosystem.